you so much for celebrating. Let's give it up for amigo of the yellow named Amazon. Now, may I emphasize once again that parrots like amigo hide homie. Good afternoon, Vicky. Beautiful bird, isn't she? Now, hornbills in general, they can be found in 2 continents, Asia and Africa. When the female wants to nest, they will look for holes or cavities in trees. And right over there is our nest box, similar to our nest boxes that we give our birds right here in the Jurong Bird Park, okay? Now, I will be coming very close to some of you, especially those of you in the staircase out. So please, do not make any sudden movements, alright? This might just stuck to the bed. Right? Okay, when she's ready, will you hear that? That's how a great hornbill vocalizes. Okay, when she's ready, so make her fly over to the nest box. Right, Vicky, your nest box is to your right. Would you like to hop along? Come on. There you go, cute little hops right over there. A little bit more. There you go, well done. So what she's doing now is she's inspecting the nest box, and only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. In she goes. So once inside, she will seal herself in using revegetated food, soil, or even her own droppings. Okay, Vicky, if you like the nest box, you can seal it up now. Oh, that was very fast. Okay, Vicky, where are you? She's sealing it. There you go. With that, everyone look right behind you. Let's welcome Sunny, Jurong Bird Park's very own animal icon. So Sunny here is also a great pipe hornbill. This is what happens in the wild, okay? In the wild, the male will look for food for